Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here. So today I want to share with you guys an awesome app that I have been using now for a while called Focused Work. So it's really hard to sometimes focus when you're working from home and you have an iPhone on you, because there's some apps on the iPhone that are made to distract you and just make you spend a long time just on their app, just scrolling and watching quick 10-second, 15-second videos. But this application, Focus Work, has been a lifesaver. So Focus Work is pretty much a timer application that allows you to just time your work and allow you to create timers so that you don't get distracted from what you need to get done throughout the day. And recently it received a really powerful update, this application, that allows you now to give you the option to block apps using shortcuts. So every time, let's say for example, you open TikTok, it will open up the application TikTok, but then it will automatically move the app to Focused Work instead, so that you don't so that you remember that, hey, you are working, there is a session going on right now, and right now you shouldn't be on TikTok. So let's take a look at the app. So one of my favorite things, of course, about the app, of course, is how easy it is to use. So you have three tabs in the bottom below. So you have your current session, you have your productivity area, and then of course you have your all session area. So in your current session, of course, that's where it is for your current session that you have right now. So depending on what you are doing right now, you could create a session for it. And then of course in your productivity area, it's just mostly your stats area of the application. So from there, of course, you get to see how much productive you've been, how many breaks you have taken when you do your work for whatever work you're doing. And it's just a really easy application to use and to read all the data as well. It just makes it really easy and fun as well. And then of course you have your all session. So in your all session, of course, here's where you could create your sessions depending on what you need to get done. So if you need to read a book or you want to focus on reading, then you could create a session for reading. And then of course there's default sessions already built into the app when you first download the application, or you could create your own session as well. So, but where this application really gets really powerful is where you could edit your sessions depending on what type of session you want to create. So let's say, for example, of course, I want to edit my edit session. So to edit my YouTube videos or record these videos, I could go into, of course, just tap on the session, and then from there you'll have three categories or three sections that you can edit this session. Of course, your main detail areas, here you choose the color, the name of your session, choose the style and everything of what you want to get done, and add it to a Siri if you want to make it a Siri, command out of it. And of course you have 4 stages. So here's where I really like this application, and it makes it really fun to use this app and actually get stuff done, is the stages area. So you can actually customize the stage area to, first, maybe I need 1 minute just to plan out everything, just to get ready, of course, and then after that I have 45 minutes of just work. So for 45 minutes I just want to focus, I don't want to be on my iPhone, I don't want to get distracted or anything like that. And then after that 45 minutes I have a 5-minute break. So it will actually ding, the iPhone will actually ding and tell me, oh hey, it's 5 minutes now, you have a 5-minute break. And then after that, after 5 minutes, it's the last 15 minutes work I want to get done, and so that I can just continue working for 15 more minutes. So yeah, it's just a really cool application right here. You can add as much stages as you want. So if you need to study for 8 hours, you could create a session for it, and then edit your stages for 8 hours. Like study for 20 minutes, take a break for 5 minutes, go back to studying for another 20, take another 5-minute break. You know, you can edit your sessions depending on how you work. And then of course integrations. So here's where you can actually add your blocks for for your apps. If you want to get distracted, of course, when you have a session and all that, you can add apps right here to so that you don't get distracted from here. And of course you can edit this area when you're not in the session. When you're in the session, you cannot edit this area, so you have to stop your session and complete the session to edit this area, so that you can add apps and content blockers to block you from Safari or apps like TikTok, Instagram, so that you don't waste your time on those apps when you should be working or studying. So yeah, it's just a really powerful application. And of course, if you're into the automation and shortcuts, you can actually create shortcuts with the app to work together, so that you can, you know, have a more powerful workflow as well. So I really love this application. It's a fantastic application if you need to get work done and everything like that. Then Focused Work might be the app for you, so that you can actually focus with your iPhone 13 mini on your desk when you're working, when you're studying, or whatever you're doing. You'll probably have a lot of uses for this app. And another fantastic update that the developer created for this application is the widgets area. So now the widget area course now has a first, the update for more for bug fixes, of course. But other than that, it's interactive as well. So you can actually pause and continue your timers right from the widget, which, you know, sometimes it's hard to find widgets that have that interaction just because of the limitation that Apple does with those widgets in iOS 15 and everything. So I'm really happy that, you know, you can actually interact with the widgets without having to open the app on your iPhone 13 mini. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this app, you know, is a great app for you and for your workflow, for your study and everything, so that you can focus with your iPhone 13 mini and you don't get distracted and all that. And so yeah, that's pretty much it for this app, for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Now remember, if you guys did enjoy this video, it would mean the world to me if you guys will hit the subscribe button, hit the like button as well, and as always, I will see you guys later. Peace.